In a world where countless voices shout for your attention, where distractions lurk around every corner, there lies a deeper truth that too many overlook. Your thoughts shape your reality. This revelation isn't just a catchy saying. It's the foundational principle that drove Earl Nightingale, a beacon of wisdom, to transform the lives of millions. Nightingale, a pioneer in personal development and motivation, understood that our lives are governed by the thoughts we choose to entertain. If you've ever felt trapped by circumstances, suffocated by the weight of outside expectations, or lost in the chaos of daily existence, know this: the power to break free resides within you, waiting to be unleashed. Each and every day, we are faced with the choice to either succumb to the noise of the world or rise above it, harnessing our thoughts to forge a path toward our true desires. Imagine for a moment what your life might look like if you truly embraced this power. Picture yourself as the architect of your own destiny, wielding thoughts so focused and intentional that they carve out new realities. Every fear, every doubt works double time to keep you tethered to the ground, whispering that you are not enough, that you can't. But what if I told you that your inner strength, the unwavering flame of belief sitting quietly in your heart, can blaze so brightly that it lights the way not just for you, but for countless others? Every moment you allow the outside world to dictate who you are is a moment stolen from the extraordinary potential locked inside you, waiting for the moment when you decide to take control. This is the message Earl Nightingale tirelessly repeated. Our lives, shaped by our thoughts, can become a masterpiece if only we dare to dream boldly. In this journey of self-discovery, it's crucial to recognize that the thoughts we entertain don't just exist in isolation. They cascade into our emotions and actions, creating a ripple effect that shapes our reality. Consider this: every thought we nurture acts like a seed planted in the fertile ground of our minds. If we water those seeds with positivity and intention, we cultivate a garden rich with potential. Yet, if we allow negativity to take root, we face a tangled thicket that chokes out our growth. This is where awareness becomes our greatest ally. When we pay attention to our internal dialogue, we begin to unearth the beliefs that govern our lives. Ask yourself, are your thoughts lifting you up or holding you down? As you confront these questions, recall that you possess the power of choice, the ability to select which thoughts to nurture, like a skilled gardener tending to each precious plant. When you consciously shift your mindset from limitations to possibilities, doors begin to open. Imagine waking up each day fueled by enthusiasm and clean intentions. Each morning, a fresh canvas on which to paint your aspirations. Embrace the notion that setbacks are merely stepping stones on the path to success. Every stumble offers an opportunity to learn, a chance to adapt and grow stronger. Harness this momentum. Let it propel you forward. Your reality is a reflection of your inner world, and the key to transformation lies in your hands. The moment you unlock that potential, you set the stage for a truly extraordinary life. Your journey is deeply intertwined with the choices you make when it comes to your thoughts. Imagine standing before a buffet of ideas, each one representing a different path you can take. Some are vibrant and appealing, carrying the promise of joy and fulfillment, while others seem familiar, yet weigh heavy, dragging you back to familiar struggles. The secret lies in your ability to choose wisely among these options, embracing the thoughts that uplift and inspire you. Every great creator, inventor, or leader started with a vision, a spark ignited in their minds. Think about the dreamers who turned wild ideas into tangible realities. They weren't always met with immediate success. Instead, they faced rejections, obstacles, and self-doubt. Yet what set them apart wasn't just their talent, but their unwavering belief in their vision. They nurtured thoughts that empowered them, transforming failures into lessons and setbacks into triumphs. As you continue to refine your mindset, begin to visualize your ideal life with clarity. Picture not just what you desire, but who you aspire to become. Dive deeper into the emotions you associate with this vision. Feel the excitement in your chest, the warmth of possibility radiating through you. Hold on to this feeling. It's your compass guiding you toward your dreams. Stay attuned to the whispers of doubt, but respond with conviction. You are capable, worthy, and equipped to chase after your dreams without hesitation. The path may be long, but every step is worthwhile when you're fueled by purpose. As you embark on this transformative journey, remember that each day offers a new chance to refine your mindset and elevate your thoughts. Think of your mind as a powerful compass guiding you through the vast wilderness of life. When you choose to tune into positivity and possibility, you navigate toward clarity and purpose. Picture the moments when you felt truly alive. Was it during an exhilarating adventure, a heartfelt conversation, or when you achieved a goal you once thought impossible? These moments aren't just flukes. They're glimpses of the life waiting to unfold when you align your thoughts with your deepest desires. Embrace the art of reflection. Take time for yourself to pause and listen to the dreams coaxing at your heart. When was the last time you allowed yourself the luxury of dreaming without limitations? Let your imagination soar. Write down the dreams that light a fire within you, no matter how big or small. Each one represents a piece of your true self yearning for expression. As you put pen to paper, feel the vibrant energy coursing through you, igniting a sense of enthusiasm that propels you forward. Surround yourself with inspiration. Fill your space with reminders of what fuels your spirit, quotes, images, or even music that elevates your mood. Let those sources of inspiration create a tapestry of positivity that envelops you, encouraging you to dream bigger and reach higher. This intentional environment serves as a fertile breeding ground for the thoughts that will shape your reality. Your mind thrives when surrounded by these uplifting influences, boosting your belief that anything is possible. In the midst of this journey, it's essential to cultivate resilience, the unwavering spirit that allows you to rise again after every fall. Resilience isn't about never experiencing hardship. Rather, it's the ability to bounce back stronger, understanding that every setback is merely a setup for a comeback. You have a treasure trove of strength within you, just waiting to burst forth when challenges arise. When faced with adversity, close your eyes for a moment and envision that vibrant fire within you growing brighter with each obstacle. This fire is your determination, fueled by the dreams you have cultivated. When the road gets rocky, remind yourself of past victories, no matter how small. Perhaps you conquered a fear, learned a new skill, or helped someone in need. Each success is a testament to your ability to overcome. Keep a journal of these moments. Let it serve as a beacon during tough times, a reminder that you have navigated storms before and emerged whole. As you encounter the ebb and flow of everyday life, practice self-compassion. Speak to yourself as you would to a dear friend, encouraging, gentle, and understanding. Replace harsh self-criticism with words of affirmation. Know that you're on a journey of growth, and it's perfectly okay to stumble along the way. Each step you take, particularly the uncertain ones, adds to the tapestry of your experience. Each thread woven with care adds richness to the story of your life. In the tapestry of your unfolding journey, the magic lies in your ability to set intentions. When you begin your day, take a moment to visualize your desires with clarity. What do you truly want to accomplish? Imagine waking up, not just going through the motions, but stepping into each day with purpose and excitement. Like an artist standing before an empty canvas, eager to create a masterpiece. Your intentions act as the guiding stars that illuminate your path, providing direction when navigating life's uncertainties. Picture yourself crafting a vision board, a vibrant collage that encapsulates your dreams. Fill it with images and words that resonate with your heart. Each piece a representation of what stirs your soul. As you glance at this visual reminder, let it ignite a fire within you, reminding you of the limitless possibilities awaiting your grasp. Each morning, stand before it. Allow the energy of your dreams to infuse you with motivation, and feel the thrill of pursuing your aspirations. Moreover, embrace the power of gratitude. Shift your focus from what you lack to what you have. Each day, jot down 3 things you're grateful for. Let this simple practice elevate your mood and recalibrate your mindset. Cultivating gratitude opens your heart to abundance, transforming your perspective and encouraging positivity to flow freely. By setting intentions grounded in gratitude, you create a fertile soil where dreams can take root and flourish, enriching the landscape of your life beyond anything you imagined. As you embark on this exhilarating journey of self-discovery, never underestimate the impact of your daily habits. They are the threads weaving the fabric of your reality. Each habit, whether conscious or automatic, contributes to the overall tapestry of your existence. This is your opportunity to be the sculptor of your life, chipping away at unproductive routines to reveal a masterpiece beneath. Start small. Even tiny changes can yield monumental results over time. Consider the choice to incorporate a brief morning ritual. Perhaps it's a few moments of deep breathing, a brisk walk, or savoring a warm cup of tea in silence. These pockets of intention ground your day in purpose and set a positive tone. Now, think about the people you interact with daily. Surround yourself with those who inspire and uplift you. Just as a vibrant garden thrives with nurturing sunlight, your spirit flourishes when shared with encouraging souls. Cultivating supportive relationships fuels your motivation and fosters the creativity within you. In contrast, distancing yourself from negativity is just as crucial. It's akin to tidying up your garden, removing the weeds that threaten to choke your growth. Reflect on your consumables too. Whether it's books, podcasts, or social media, choose what adds value to your journey. Seek out stories that resonate, educational resources that expand your thinking, or people whose company injects joy into your daily life. By consciously curating your influences, you construct a robust foundation for your aspirations. Your reality, shaped by meaningful habits and connections, is poised to blossom into something extraordinary. Every moment offers a new opportunity to embrace your potential. Think of today as a launchpad, where your aspirations can soar to unimaginable heights. Picture yourself standing at the edge of a vast open sky, each cloud representing a dream waiting to take flight. With each deliberate breath, inhale the promise of possibilities and exhale doubt. This day is yours, a sanctuary for creation and innovation, filled with moments waiting to be transformed into triumphs. Awareness of the power within you connects directly to your ability to manifest change. Visualize the actions you can take today that align with your dreams. Whether it's making a phone call that feels daunting, pursuing a passion project, or simply stepping outside your comfort zone, every courageous step counts. Each time you act, no matter how small, you chip away at the barriers that confine you. Like a sculptor meticulously shaping stone, your consistent efforts will reveal a magnificent masterpiece. Engaging with the world around you can amplify this process. Seek nature's vibrant energy. Let it inspire clarity and renewal. Spend time in spaces that spark creativity, engaging with people who invigorate your spirit. Dedicate moments to silence, allowing your mind to wander into realms of imagination and possibility. Embrace spontaneity. The unplanned can lead to the most exciting adventures. Trust in your intuition and allow it to guide you toward experiences that breathe life into your vision. As you stand on the brink of your magnificently crafted life, remember that every step you take echoes with potential. The story you're writing is yours alone, bursting with vibrant colors and bold strokes. Each choice, every thought, a unique note in your symphony of existence. The final chapter of your journey awaits, urging you to move with purpose and passion. Embrace today as an opportunity to not just exist, but to thrive. Reflect on the legacy you wish to leave behind. What mark do you want to make on the world? This moment is a chance to forge connections, spread kindness, and share your gifts. When you amplify your voice, you encourage others to do the same, creating a ripple that can reach far beyond your imagination. As you move forward, don't keep this journey to yourself. If these words have ignited a spark in your heart, share this passion. Bring your friends and loved ones into the orbit of your dreams. Encourage them to subscribe, to engage, and to explore the rich landscape of potential together. Let them feel the energy of hope and possibility that you've uncovered. Your shared journey fosters growth, reminding us that we are all woven into this beautiful tapestry of life. Your adventure is just beginning. Shine brightly, dream boldly, and inspire those around you. We rise together when we embrace our unique paths. Let's elevate each other, transform the ordinary into the extraordinary, and create a world filled with wonder. Now go forth and share. Let your story unfold.